The 3D software that comes with the unit has been crafted to not only be powerful, but also to be easy to use. Whether you're bringing up an existing patient or scanning a new patient, it's incredibly intuitive. As you can see here, as you enter the software, it's very straightforward. In this case, most of the time, you're either bringing up an existing patient or scanning a patient. Let's bring up an existing volume. You can see here from the list of patients, let's go ahead and select one. A simple double click brings up the volumes, and you can double click on the specific volume that you're interested in to load that volume. Now, when you open up the volume, this is your home screen. You'll notice an easy to follow tabular approach at the top left. You'll also notice the tab we are in is called the 3D MPR tab. The MPR stands for multiplanar reconstruction. This is a fancy way of saying your traditional axial in the top left, coronal in the bottom left, and sagittal in the bottom right. Then you can see the 3D volume reconstruction in the top right. Navigating to explore the volume is also very intuitive. You can explore slices in any of the views in two primary ways. If you'd like to quickly scan through the slices, you can hold the mouse down and drag up or down. If you would like to move more slowly, sometimes referred to as walking through the slices, you can simply roll the roller ball of your mouse forward or backward. Walking through the slices is a great way to explore the anatomy. In addition, walking through the location of a pathology from different angles provides a wealth of detailed information to support your diagnosis. Moving your focus to a particular point in the volume is as simple as dragging the location crosshairs. In this case, let's say I want to zero in on number 16. I would just drag the crosshairs in the axial view over to that tooth. Now, let's say I want to get a good view of the posteriors in the sagittal view. I can also change the perspective angle of the other two axes. I simply click and rotate the crosshairs so that they better align with this patient's arch. You'll notice, as I do, my sagittal view changes so that I have a much better view of this anatomy. Now that I have the angle set, I can also walk through the slices at this angle by rolling the roller ball of my mouse. As you can see, this is like a 3D bite wing. However, you can't walk through a bite wing, nor does a bite wing show you this much anatomy. With the 3D volume in the top right, just click and drag to rotate, or you can click on the position buttons across the top to snap to particular views. In this case, left, right, posterior, anterior, etc. In any of the window panes, you can hold the roller ball down and drag up or down to zoom. Right-click and drag to pan in any direction. All of this navigation typically becomes second nature to the user within about 5 minutes of using the software. You'll also notice that there are all kinds of measurement tools that can be utilized throughout as well. In this case, if we want to do a simple point-to-point measurement, we just select the tool, click at the starting point, and click again at the end point. As a reminder, one of the key advantages of cone beam scans over 2D scanning is that the measurements are exact, as opposed to 2D panos and PAs, which are not. We hope you found this video useful. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Thank you.